Sounds every 2000 kids should remember. Guys, I'm about to cry. Oh, I love the GameCube startup. Super Smash Bros. Coming soon to own a video DVD. Yeah. Oh, I love the Nickelodeon. Remember? Xbox 360 startup. Yeah. Play some Halo. Oh, Nintendo Wii sound. It feels like goosebumps. I love that sound, guys. Pixar's intro. And then Toy Story. Monsters Inc. I love it. Empire Today. Remember those commercials? I do. Windows Startup. Duh. Remember that? Nokia ringtone.